Hey there. I've been reading a lot about the Tunisian National Movement lately. It's fascinating how it played a crucial role in shaping Tunisia's history. What are your thoughts on it?
Absolutely. The Tunisian National Movement is a remarkable chapter in Tunisia's history. It's inspiring to see how a unified movement led to significant changes in the country. I think the movement's roots in nationalism and anti-colonialism are fundamental to understanding its impact.
Definitely. The movement's emergence during the French colonial rule was a testament to the resilience and determination of the Tunisian people. It's incredible how leaders like Habib, Bourguiba and Salah and Youssef mobilized the masses, advocating for independence and social reforms. Their vision and charisma played a pivotal role in galvanizing the movement.
I couldn't agree more. Bourguiba, in particular, was instrumental in shaping Tunisia's destiny. His advocacy for women's rights, education, and economic development laid the foundation for modern Tunisia. The reforms initiated by him continue to influence the country positively.
Absolutely. Bourguiba's reforms were groundbreaking. His emphasis on education significantly improved literacy rates and empowered the youth, who became the driving force behind the movement. It's fascinating how education became a tool for social and political change during that time.
Education indeed played a crucial role. Informed and educated citizens are essential for any successful movement. It not only creates awareness, but also nurtures critical thinking, which is vital for challenging oppressive regimes. The Tunisian National Movement's ability to harness the intellectual prowess of its people was one of its strengths.
True, and the movement's ability to unify different factions and ideologies was impressive. Despite differences in political beliefs and social backgrounds, the common goal of achieving independence united various groups under the same banner. This unity amplified their voice and made them a formidable force against colonial rule.
Unity was indeed a driving force. The movement showcased the power of solidarity and collective action. It's remarkable how different sections of society, including workers, intellectuals, and students, came together to fight for a common cause. This solidarity fostered a sense of national identity and pride among Tunisians.
Absolutely. And let's not forget the role of cultural and artistic expressions during the movement. Literature, music, and art became mediums through which people could express their aspirations and frustrations. Cultural icons emerged, contributing significantly to the movement's spirit and inspiring generations to come.
That's a great point. Art and culture have a unique way of capturing the essence of a movement. The poems, songs, and artworks created during that period reflected the collective hopes and dreams of the Tunisian people. They served as a source of inspiration, motivating individuals to actively participate in the struggle for independence.
I'm also intrigued by the international context of the Tunisian National Movement. The decolonization wave that swept across Africa and Asia during the mid-20th century created a favorable environment for Tunisia's quest for independence. The support from other newly independent nations and international organizations bolstered the movement's legitimacy on the global stage.
Absolutely. The global context was significant. The solidarity between newly independent nations created a sense of camaraderie and shared purpose. Tunisia's success not only inspired other nations, but also contributed to the overall momentum of decolonization worldwide. It showcased the power of determination and resilience in the face of colonial oppression.
It's incredible how the Tunisian National Movement's success story continues to inspire movements for independence and social justice in other parts of the world. Tunisia's transition to democracy after gaining independence is also noteworthy. The movement not only achieved political freedom, but also paved the way for democratic governance, making it a beacon of hope for others.
Absolutely. Tunisia's transition to democracy is a testament to the resilience of its people and the enduring legacy of the national movement. The ability to overcome challenges and establish a stable democratic system showcases the maturity of Tunisian society. It's a model that many nations strive to emulate, demonstrating that the ideals of freedom, justice, and equality are achievable even in challenging circumstances.
I completely agree. The Tunisian National Movement's impact extends far beyond its historical context. It serves as a reminder of the power of ordinary people coming together to challenge injustice and oppression. The movement's legacy continues to inspire generations, reminding us of the importance of unity, education, and cultural expression in the pursuit of a just society.
Well said. The Tunisian National Movement is a shining example of what people can achieve when they are united by a common cause. It emphasizes the significance of perseverance, education, and cultural identity in the face of adversity. As we reflect on this remarkable chapter in history, we are reminded of the importance of these principles in shaping a better future for all.